Welcome to this rare opportunity for a beautiful custom home on nearly 7 acres. It's ideally situated in a peaceful, tranquil setting, surrounded by 5-acre parcels with custom homes. This property is ready for your horses or llamas, with wonderful fenced and cross-fenced level pastures. You'll find a large RV shop with a barn attached and nicely landscaped acreage. Heading inside, you'll discover a light and bright interior with formal and informal spaces, ready for family gatherings and entertaining. The updated kitchen features a large island, breakfast bar seating, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and a double pantry. Double doors lead to the large master suite with access to a deck. Unwind in the spacious, updated master bath with a dual sink vanity, jetted tub, and a large shower. This 3,000 square foot home has plenty of space with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. On the lower level, a bonus or theater room is perfect for any number of uses. And you'll find a workshop and additional storage, plus an oversized 3-car garage. The expansive deck is ready for relaxing in this beautiful country setting. Or make memories under the pergola with friends and family. You have room for all of your toys in the 40 by 36 foot stick-built RV garage. You'll also find a 24 by 40 foot barn with hay storage and a tack room. A beautiful private property ready for you, your horses, and your llamas. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Laura Peterson with Premier Property Group at 360-608-2122. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage,